gonna be 5 ways how to look a little bit cooler when you go to any meet, car meet to be exact. Number 1, have the seat all the way down. That shows that you don't know how to drive the car. No. It shows that the car is driving itself. That's number 1. Number 2, when you get out the car, don't look left, don't look right. Just look straight into the horizon. Y'all see I changed the camera view. Still new at this. But yeah, let me show you how that's gonna look. Number 3, always when pulling up, stay on low gear so the car sounds like it's going 100 miles an hour, but you're really not. Number 4, always make sure you park the car on the right spot where all the crowds are. And you gotta have your keys hanging like this. You ain't pulling up to a meet if your keys are not hanging out like this. Just walk it off like this. I'm gonna take one more take. I see the drip. Respect the drip. 5. Tip number 5, and the last tip. Always ask everyone. You trying to race? Doesn't matter if you even pushing 50 horsepower. Always ask everyone. Hey, trying to race? Trying to race? Trying to race? Let's go. Trying to race? Let's go.